Hi friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be making breaded chicken tenders in the air fryer. What I need for this recipe are chicken tenders, cooking spray, seasonings. I'm going to use salt, pepper, and garlic powder. We need an egg and breadcrumbs. So first, let's crack an egg in a bowl. And whisk the egg. And now let's put breadcrumbs on a plate. And now let's spray the air fryer basket with a cooking spray so the chicken tenders don't stick. And now I will season the chicken tenders. So I will just sprinkle them with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And same on the other side. So I'll flip them over and season them. So now the chicken tenders are seasoned, and we will dip each chicken tender in egg on both sides and then roll it on breadcrumbs and put in the air fryer. So I take a chicken tender, dip it in egg, and now dip it in breadcrumbs and pressing with my hands so the breadcrumbs stick. And put this breaded chicken tender in the air fryer. And now I will repeat it with the other chicken tenders. So dip it in egg, then dip in breadcrumbs, and put in the air fryer. Okay, so now the chicken tenders are in the air fryer basket. So let's put the basket in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees. And I will set the time to 12 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's flip the chicken tenders over. So let's open the air fryer basket and turn them over to the other side. And put it back in the air fryer. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these delicious chicken tenders. They look so good. Look at this brown and crispy breading, and we didn't have to fry them. The air fryer makes them crispy. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my cooking channel, Melanie Cooks. And I'll see you next time.